This is just a quick vlog of me fixing my Galaxy Note 5. This is my main phone that I also use as my main camera. I'm filming it with the Note 4. But yeah, so this is the old back cover with the crack, as you can see in the corner. Crack is pretty bad, but good news is that I have a new one. I have a replacement. If I move all this junk out of the way, you can see I have a replacement. Now, my phone, Note 5, is the black phone, but the last time I replaced the back on it, I replaced it with a silver back. Now, I'm going back to black, so the original color. So it is the original back. The only difference is it doesn't have the stupid Verizon logo. It says Samsung, like it should. No disgusting carrier branding. So basically what we're going to need is a bunch of prying tools, a suction cup, and a heat gun or a hair dryer, because this is glued on. There's adhesive that holds this on, so we need to pry it off, clean up the adhesive residue, and then place the new back on with the adhesive, adhere it on, and then we're good to go. If you're doing this repair yourself, remember to, on your Note 5, if you have a Note, remove the S Pen. If you have a Galaxy S or a Note or anything, make sure you also remove the SIM card tray, so that way you have nothing but the bare phone. Obviously a case, remove that. Screen protector should be fine, don't worry about that. But in fact, you probably want a screen protector on, because if you're setting this face down on a table, you don't have to worry about scratching the screen while you're trying to do this repair. So we're just going to basically heat up the edges and basically get it to the point where it's too hot to touch. And then we're going to slip in a pry tool and then start cutting away at the adhesive. Then I'm going to use this card to keep the adhesive from re-adhering. And this card is ironically one that comes with a case, which is ironic considering this is a broken phone. So we're going to go ahead and do that. So here it is after removing the back cover. As you can see, there's the back. I actually, maybe I should have gotten a clear back, because there was a clear back option. But you can tell I kind of nicked some of this stuff the last time I did this repair, so it wouldn't look the prettiest. So it's understandable why I went with a solid color. Maybe next time. I could probably replace this if I really wanted to, but no big deal. But yeah, so this is what the inside of the phone looks like. You can see a lot of the marking and stuff, so this will be a good time to install a clear glass back if you wanted to, but since we don't want to do that, there's the back that I pulled off. Now, this was really easy, since this back was a replacement. The adhesive wasn't nearly as strong as the factory adhesive. The factory adhesive is way stronger. So if you're doing this for your first time for this phone, then you may have a lot more problems, because the adhesive will be much stronger, and you'll need to get it a lot hotter and be using the cards and stuff. I didn't even need it. It just pulls straight off. So you're going to be careful, and obviously if you have any waterproofing seals on your device, that's going to go away after this repair. Because yes, well, you know, it won't, you have to worry about getting water in it from dripping on it or anything. You won't want to submerge it afterwards if you did that before, prior to cracking and replacing the back cover. So with that in mind, we're going to go ahead and install the new back. Now the new glass is in place. I just pretty much just set it and just pushed it down to adhere it. And there's a little tag somewhere to pull this protective sticker off. Somewhere that sticker exists. I guess just pull it up from a corner. There we go. Ooh, that is shiny. And trying to pull this off with one hand. There we go. Beautiful. gorgeous. So yeah, that's basically it. There's the new back on my Samsung Galaxy Note 5. So now it is officially crack free. I did kind of miss that blue finish just a little bit. So now I have that back and it's gorgeous. Anyway guys, just a quick vlog showing off me replacing the back panel of my Galaxy Note 5. Also for reference, here's the old one, which was silver. And I don't know. There's some instances where I like the black and some instances where I like the silver. I liked having the silver. And I was thinking about getting like gold or something like that, but I did a couple polls and people spoke. Well, I did one really big poll and everyone said black. And then the next polls, like just asking a couple random people, they said gold. So I wasn't really sure. I just went with black for now, since I'm going to be putting a D-brand skin on it anyway, so I might as well have a back that is the original ones. It's going to be covered up anyway, so who cares. So anyway guys, just a quick vlog of me replacing the back cover on my Note 5. Of course now this is going to be all covered in fingerprints and everything. Actually it resists fingerprints pretty well. But yeah, so beautiful. Look at that. Gorgeous. And of course with the front, which I need to put a new screen protector on it. This one's covered in scratches, but you can see with that back, man, I guess I did kind of miss the blue, the black sapphire, how it shifts in the light like that. That's really beautiful. Anyway guys, this is my main camera, by the way, so that's why this camera looks a bit different, because I usually use this to film. I'm using the Note 4 for this video. Anyway guys, this is Intelitech Studios. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick little vlog of me replacing the back on my Note 5. Anyway guys, actually, since this is on camera, I'm going to set this down and just make sure I didn't screw anything up. So I grabbed my stylus, which this is pink, it's not, or rose gold, excuse me. So it's not the original color, and plus the button is broken on this, on the pen, so I do need to get a new pen. So I'll need to do that, which at some point when I get a new screen protector, I'll probably get a new pen for it. And then my SIM card tray, which I advised that you remove previously. So we're just gonna try to do this with one hand and just slot this back in, click that into place, and then power it up. And of course it's perfectly fine. Didn't do anything too drastic, just the back chassis really didn't touch any of the actual parts, so I'd be surprised if this somehow broke. And that would obviously really suck because this is my phone. But, yeah. Now it's so... Wait, is that a scratch? Nope, that's just a shadow of my finger. Okay, that almost scared me. But yep, so phone is back up and... Man, yeah. Phone is back up and running. I noticed whenever the glass is brand new, it's actually fairly grippy. Like, you can hold on to it pretty well. But then, as time goes on and this coating wears off, then it's really slippery, and then you have to get a case, otherwise you're going to end up dropping the phone. So yeah, anyway guys, super quick vlog. I'm ranting too much. Note 5 is back up and running. My phone is now fixed, and we're good. So anyway guys, this was Intelitech Studios, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.